Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the frustrating Cloudflare WARP disconnected issue. This is a quick and effective solution that works for most people, even in 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your WARP connection restored, but you'll also understand what's causing the problem and how a full settings reset can get things working smoothly again. So let's jump right in. The main fix we're focusing on today is performing a full settings reset inside the WARP app. This method is especially helpful because, unlike uninstalling and reinstalling the app, it directly clears any misconfigured options while keeping the main app in place, so you won't lose your account details or need to download anything extra. That's a huge time saver, and it's one of the most recommended steps for 2024. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, go ahead and open up your Cloudflare WARP app on your computer. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, the steps are almost identical, so you won't get lost. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You should see a little gear icon. This is the settings menu. Give that a click. Sometimes, you might need to take a second to find it if you're not familiar, but it's usually up near the top or tucked next to your profile. Now, from the list of options, you'll want to choose Preferences. This opens a menu with several tabs. But what we're really looking for is the Connection section. The Connection tab controls how WARP interacts with your network. So if something's glitched or a previous update caused a weird setting, this is where it's hiding. Once you're inside the Connection menu, scroll all the way down until you find an option that says Reset All Settings. This button can be a little intimidating. But don't worry, it doesn't affect your data, your account, or your subscription status. Instead, it simply puts all of WARP's configuration settings back to their original defaults, which is almost always enough to clear up weird disconnections or stubborn error messages. Go ahead and click the Reset All Settings button. You'll probably get a prompt asking you to confirm. This is just a safety check to make sure you didn't hit it by accident. Click Next and then Accept on each of these little pop-up windows. The app will now close itself and restart. This might take a few moments, so be patient here. WARP is wiping out any old settings and rebuilding them from scratch. Kind of like how rebooting your Wi-Fi router clears out a bunch of hidden gremlins. When the app finishes restarting, you may see some new prompts, or it might walk you through the initial setup flow. This is normal. Just keep clicking through. Usually it's only a couple of Next or Accept buttons, and there's nothing tricky here. By the time you're back at the main screen, you should see that connected status. And those pesky disconnected messages should now be history. If you've tried this and things still aren't working right, don't stress. I always recommend doing a system reboot as the next step, or double-checking your network connection just in case. Sometimes Windows firewalls or VPN conflicts can be stubborn, but for most people, that full settings reset is exactly the fix you needed. I hope this walkthrough got your Cloudflare WARP back online. If this helped you out, let me know by hitting the like button and dropping a comment with your experience or any questions you still have. And if you want more quick, effective tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.